Psychological factory presence. 7 very funny things to talk about with your girlfriend. Did you know that humor is like medicine for the soul? Making someone laugh can make them drawn to you. It makes them forget all of their problems and enjoy being around you. Making your girlfriend laugh will make her love you so much more than she already does. In this video you will find 7 very funny things to talk about with your girlfriend. Let's begin. 1. Funny embarrassing moments. When asking her about embarrassing moments in her life, make sure you mention the word funny, because your aim is to make her laugh, not to make her squirm in her seat. Everyone laughs at funny embarrassing moments just by thinking about them, and your girlfriend will definitely enjoy talking about hers. 2. Funny childhood memories. Having recollections of childhood memories can take you down through memory lane. Some are good, some are bad, and some are definitely funny. Remembering funny childhood memories will have her giggling in no time. What better way to have a great time than to bring out the child in someone? 3. Funny jokes. Jokes are definitely fun to talk about, especially if you choose short, straight to the point jokes that are not long and boring. Spending an evening with your sweetheart telling her jokes will make her always want to be around you. 4. Funny weird habits. If she has some weird habits, she will be shy to share them with you, but if they are funny enough to make her laugh, get ready to hear some very weird stuff. Make sure to share some of your weird habits as well. 5. Funny life plans. Maybe she dreamed of being a bicycle mechanic, a chicken farmer, or a monkey's tour guide when she was a little girl. Trust me, every girl has some sort of funny life plan for her future that she laughs back on whenever she thinks. 6. Funny secret celebrity crush. Maybe she had a crush on Mr. Bean, Austin Powers, Dr. Phil, or Whoopi Goldberg. What do you know? Get ready to be shocked by some of the names she is going to call. Whatever you do, she is going to be mad as the devil. 7. Funny movies. There are tons of funny movies that you simply just can't get out of your head. Some of them will make you laugh so hard until you pee your pants. Those are the ones that stick with you forever. Get her out of her shy. These are the 7 funny things to talk about with your girlfriend. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Love and do support.